How to save videos from Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. On Facebook Messenger, you might have received a video that you want to save in your gallery so that you can watch it later offline. If that is the case, then in this video, I will guide you how you can save videos from Facebook Messenger. Step 1 is to open the Messenger application on your device. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you launch this app, you first want to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, open up the conversation where you have received a video that you want to save. Now, what you want to do is tap and hold on the video. Here you have four options: reply, save video, pin, and more. What you want to do now is tap on the save video option. Once you tap on it, the video will be saved to your gallery. Depending on the size of the video, it might take some time for the video to be downloaded. Once the video is saved, you can open up your gallery, and then as you can see, this video has been saved and now you can watch it while offline. And this is how you can save videos from Facebook Messenger. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.